Good morning. I'm Dr. Neha Gupta. I'm a senior consultant in the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology at Medanta, the Medicity, Gurugram. We have a lot of questions these days which pour in on various social media platforms by users across the country. And today in this video, I'm going to answer 4 most frequently asked questions. So the first question is, how often should I visit a gynecologist? So I would like to mention here that if there are no problems that you're facing, if you're in generally good health, if your periods are regular and there are no specific gynae concerns that you have, then visiting a gynecologist once in a year is sufficient. That visit would basically involve a gynecological examination. However, there is something which is called as a pap smear screening, which is a screening test for the cervical cancer. That test also is done by the gynecologist in the OPD, and you need to do it once in every 3 years. But visiting the gynecologist once in a year for just a general routine checkup, I think is totally worthwhile. At what age should I have my first gynecological examination? There's no specific answer to this one, but I think, once your periods start and if you're facing any difficulties with your periods in your teenage years, then is a good time to visit the gynecologist. This is also a good time to visit the gynecologist because it's a good opportunity to get educated about various aspects like the menstrual cycles, what is the regularity and how to take care of your periods. Secondly, you can get some education about sexuality, how to go about having safe sex practices. That's very important. And then another very important thing is taking the cervical cancer vaccination. So ideally, this vaccination should be taken up till the age of 15 years. Although the vaccination is nowadays also being given by the pediatricians, but in case you have missed that window, then please visit the gynecologist as soon as possible and get the cervical cancer vaccination. So right when you are into your teens is actually not a bad time to visit the gynecologist and get all the education and get all the vaccinations done. Now the next is it normal to have irregular periods? So we know that the standard menstrual cycle length is 28 days, but a variation of plus minus 7 days is considered to be normal, which means that somebody can have a cycle which is, coming every 21 to 22 days, and somebody could have a cycle coming, say, every 34 to 35 days. Now, this variation is considered normal. However, if you are having menstrual cycles which are more frequent than every 21 days or which are coming at an interval of more than every 35 days, then it must be evaluated because there could be various reasons for such irregularity, and that needs to be evaluated. The last question is, what can I do about severe menstrual cramps? Well, definitely for menstrual cramps, you could try some home remedies like, taking a hot water bag, like taking some herbal teas, like chamomile tea, which does have some soothing effect. One could also try over-the-counter pain relief medications like, taking a Crocin or a Meftal spas. It helps. Sometimes, there are certain yoga postures like the cat pose, which is particularly useful to relieve the menstrual cramps. But I would like to lay stress on the fact that if the period cramps have been increasing over a period of time, or if the home measures are not sufficient to take care of this pain, then you must visit the doctor, as sometimes there could be some diseased conditions which are leading to painful periods. So do take care of that.